In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save text preset on CapCut. First of all, add a default text on your timeline, then customize as you needed, like change font size increase, case, uppercase, lowercase, change color. You can also add animation on your text. Once all customization done, click on Save as Preset. To save text preset, you have to sign up on CapCut. I will sign up with Google. Once sign up complete, click on Open CapCut. Type your text preset name, then click on OK. Text preset is successfully saved. You can use your text preset, click on text, and then you will see yours and preset option. Click on preset. You will see all your preset here. Now you can use this preset again and again. That's how we can save text preset on CapCut. If this video found helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel.